Come on and sit beside me, little waters collide. Bathing me in the iris of your widening eyes. What can you share to keep my hands cuffed? Something so bright and blessed that I'm all but crushed. Just a reminder I'm in love. Weaken your light, and I can't seem to wash it off, and that's alright. Fumbling friend for right down the line. Staring down a simple something that'll shape my whole life. Breathing and burning, beleaguered and overdrawn. I can feel myself come undone, yet there's more. Just a reminder I'm in love. We can